Going to the jeweler, bust the AP, yeah. Sliding on the water like a jet ski, yeah.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I go from this to this. I already know you guys are thinking there is no way in the world this girl's hair is that short and she was able to put clip-ins in it. Girl, yes I was. I didn't even think I could, but I can, girl. So I'm here to tell y'all that if your hair is this short, girl, you could put clip-ins in it, okay? Don't let them lie to you, tell you it gotta be like at least an inch or any of that, girl, okay? You could be bald-headed like me and still wear clip-ins, okay? So if you're interested, just stay tuned and I'll show y'all how, okay? So I still have one more 4-clip left, so I'm just going to stick this in the back somewhere just to add, I guess, a little bit of fullness, even though this thing is already full enough. So this is how it looks once I'm done, you know, fluffing it up and shaping it the way I want to. I didn't trim any of it just because I personally don't like trimming my clip-ins, just because, you know, I may want to use them another time and then now they're short. But you can trim this bang part if you want. I didn't really trim it. I kind of just like folded the hair up, if that makes sense. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I made this video just to show that your hair doesn't have to necessarily be a certain length in order to wear clip-ins. Pretty much as long as you can grip your hair with your fingers, the clip-ins will be able to grip your hair. So none of the clip-ins fall out, you know, as long as you're just, you know, being normal. As far as when I was fluffing it, you want to make sure that you're not being too rough with it or pulling it too hard, because then it may come out, but I haven't had any problems with it falling out. So your hair could be this short and you can still rock your clip-ins, girl. So I just wanted to make this video to show you, like I said, that your hair can be this short and you can still wear clip-ins, girl. Okay. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like this style, and I'll include the link to the hair and everything else that you need to know in the description box, and I'll also include the video that gave all the information about this hair and the unboxing and how I co-washed it and all of that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.